Everyone on your feed is vibe coding their way into a technical nightmare. They're really just building toys that looks great in a 60-second demo, but it's gonna crumble the moment a real user hits the end. So look, I've spent years in the trenches as a full stack engineer and even longer as a product manager, shipping actual software to actual users. I know what it takes to build a stable code base, and more importantly, I know how to build things people actually need. Today, I'm gonna show you why most AI generated apps fail and how I use my background to bridge the gap between cool prompts and also scalable products. So the problem with vibe coding isn't just the AI, it's actually the lack of intentional architecture. So as an engineer, I see the very messy abstractions and the lack of error handling. And also as a product manager, I see tools that solve zero user pain points. So if you don't know how to talk to a database or how to define a user journey, you're just generating digital noise. So you need to stop being a prompter and start being a technical orchestrator. So step one, I'm building a technical spec. This includes a lot of the information about who the users are, what the application is about, what we're trying to solve, etc. and etc. Let's build something real. So I'm building a specific use case for parents to find a bathroom in New York City. So watch my process. I'm not just saying build this. AI is not supposed to understand all of that information, as you would think. They don't have a lot of the background. So you need to be smart about your prompt engineering to be able to add those key insights to give AI more information about what you're trying to build. So a good example is user personas. Who are you building it for? What is the goal of the application? Those are very important and critical to the success of what you're trying to build. So why does this matter? The bar for building has dropped to 0, but the bar to deliver has never been lower. Experience has taught me that the code part is actually the easy part. The application logic, user experience is actually the hard part. So in this channel, I'm going to teach you how to use your vibe to move faster, but your foundations has to move right. Now, if you're tired of all of the Hello World tutorials and you want to see how professional builds and corrects AI developments, you're in the right place. And I'm bridging the gap between engineering discipline and also product vision. So hit subscribe and let's build something that actually survives the production environment.